stuff's kind of torn. You know, I have trouble getting into products, and maybe stuff will come back to me. Maybe. No promise. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you are curious what is in the April 2021 Allure Beauty Box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, first off, full disclosure, I recorded this unboxing video last weekend. Sadly, when I went to go edit it, I learned that my microphone crapped out on me and the audio was horrible, really low, and when I cranked it up in editing, there was this obnoxious little buzzing, humming noise. So, because I care about you, I thought I better refilm it because that audio was, yeah, not good. So I'm going to speed through this. Hopefully this will be one of my quicker. I don't recall everything, but since it was a recent unboxing, stuff's kind of torn. You know, I have trouble getting into products, and maybe stuff will come back to me. Maybe. No promise. For anyone who's new, by the way, to what Allure is, it is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you get 6 products and at least 3 are guaranteed to be full size. It used to be a really good box at $15. They upped the price and it's a little, but the last few boxes have gotten better and better. So, on to the unboxing. All right, so the first item here is already ripped open. These are from Mighty Patch, and it's a duo, and they are acne patches. You get 2 sheets. There are 6 little circles per sheet for a grand total of 12. Yay, I can do math. And if you've never tried products like this before, they work great. So if you get some Masque or big ol' honker, if you put it on, it will help it kind of calm down, wear it overnight, and it will help it to relax a little. It hides the redness. You can even put makeup on over it, or just if you don't want to wear makeup because you have a lot of acne, it's good to put on. It just kind of, you can't really see it, and it makes it just kind of disappear. They're great. All right, next item. This here is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Maapilim. I don't know, Maapilim, and it's a face moisturizer. And if I recall, I don't recall the price. I do remember thinking this was a sample size, and this turns out to be full size. This does come safety sealed, so I don't know what it smells like. And we get, is it 20 or 25 milliliters? And it turns out that this actually is a full-size product. So, go figure. Okay, so the next item is from a brand called Akar Skin. And this is a Restore Eye Serum. Ooh, I love a good eye serum. And I don't remember the exact price, but I do remember that this is super expensive. I want to say like 85 bucks. Yeah, this is only 10 milliliters, and it has a really fancy lid, you know, the kind you twist up like this, and then, but I like how that little push disappears when you screw it all the way down. Fancy. And this is real frosted glass. You know, for that price point, it should be frosted glass, right? All right, next item. This here is from Aveda. I actually know that's a hair care line because once upon a time I got my haircut at an Aveda salon. All right, and this is a Botanical Repair Intense Strengthening Mask. Go check out my 500 subscriber giveaway. It is just around the corner, and there will be lots and lots of hair care products in that giveaway if you desire, because I don't use hair care products. Okay, on to the next item. This here is from Chella, and it's La Vie Naturelle Eyeshadow Palette. And what is interesting is that I looked this up. I've actually received this before, like recently. I want to say maybe by recently, like November, December, January time frame. The full-size version in like an Ipsy. Here is the little mini guy eyeshadow palette. And let me swatch these for you so you can see what the colors are. There you go. Maybe I will make a lovely eye look out of this because I know I didn't want to touch the full-size one. I either already gave it away or it's sitting to be given away. But now I can at least try the little mini guy. All right, and the last item is this eyeliner pencil from Cargo. And it is in a very interesting shade here. Interesting meaning it's not black. It's like a shimmery, coppery brown. Ooh, it goes lovely with those eyeshadow colors. So I'm excited to get an eyeliner that isn't black. All right, let's recap what we got in this box. Got a face moisturizer. Got some Acne Patches. Got a hair treatment mask. Got a super expensive eye serum. Got a non-black glimmery brown shade eye gel cream, not cream, eye gel liner. And a super tiny sample of a 4-pan eyeshadow palette. Again, not too shabby. For $23, I'm going to list what the full box value is. For an Allure box, this one's better than normal. We're getting some makeup, which is lovely. Let me know your thoughts. I only hem and haw because for $2 more, you will get 5 full-size products in an Ipsy or BoxyCharm. For $23, you get 3 full-size, and the full-size Allure gives are always like the smallest full-size. It's like, really, that 10 milliliters full-size? Okay, if you say so. And I think that's why, or at least me, I won't speak for anyone else, where I'm kind of like, where's my 30 milliliter face product instead of a 10 milliliter? But, you know, it is what it is. And I subscribe for a whole year, so I actually only pay $13.75. So for me, this box is spectacular. All right, if you haven't done so yet, you see that little guy there? Yeah, that guy. Do it. I would appreciate it. And then subscribe, click the bell icon, you know, yada, yada, yada. YouTube has an algorithm, and it really helps me out. All right, thanks, everyone.